Merlin here. Okay, well, today we made a little progress on our lift duct. We made it out of the same fiberboard stuff. This is thinner board than what we used for the deck. And looks like we got it pretty round. I'm still going to do some more to it, but this is just the initial forming of it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That looks pretty good. So that's our 24-inch lift duct. And also today we mounted lifting hooks on 4 corners so we can actually lift this thing up and be able to get up underneath it and work on it or anything like that. So there's the other lifting hooks. So yeah, we got stainless steel lifting hooks on there now, and they're rated for 350 pounds each. So that should hold it. So that's the point we're at so far. Thanks for watching.